have a story time?
Oh, yeah.
Sound disgusting. Like you got something in your throat? Like, are you sick?
Yeah, it's very concerning.
What do you mean? Like what?
It wasn't a good idea for them to have a spy balloon fly over our country. It must come down. Either they take it down, but it must come down or go away. As you may have seen, Secretary Blinken was scheduled to leave
You got the
go to
chills? Are you
China for
sick?
talks, and just hours before he got on the plane, that was cited. It was cause for concern right away for all of us, but it
Shut the
is,
country down.
They crossed a threshold with that.
If she shows any signs of infection or excessive coughing, she should be taken to the hospital for a thorough examination.